I'm going to start out by showing that both my uh, new categories and my new products can be validated. I actually, for some reason, it won't let me validate through these tools, so I'm going to show you through this that it all validates. So this is my products, and I'm going to check it. And it does have the PHP errors, but those are the only errors. And then really quickly, this is the other one, and it also has PHP errors, but no HTML errors. So those validate just fine. And then if I go into my account and create new account, I'm going to show you that this works. It won't let me put in the same email, obviously, so we're going to change that. And we're going to change it to hotdog at hotmail.com. Now, if we don't have the at, it won't let us do that. It says it's not an email address. So it has to be at Gmail or at Hotmail. And like you saw, none of the information went away when I did that. It'll all just stay, and it says you have to fill out this field because all fields are required. So let's say I type in a password, and it does show up with the dots, but if I type in a password that's not matching the requirements, it says please match all the requirements. So I'm going to do that. It has to be one uppercase, one number, and then a special character with at least 8 characters. And then it says, thanks for registering, Rachel. Please use your email or password to log in. And then I can see if I go to clients, I've done this quite a few times, but I can see that the password is not a recognizable password for either one, for the hot dog one that I just created, or for the one that I created previously. Let me really quickly navigate over to navigation so I can show you, okay, we changed it so that we don't have to write things over and over. So I've got my PHP echo nav list that echoes it on every page now. So PHP echo nav list, and I actually put it on every page because I figured we would need to in the end. So that's all done. Thanks for watching. Bye.